Hello everyone, today I'm here to teach you one of the chapters from maths called square measures. It is for 7th standard students, right? The first things which I'm going to solve today is find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are given below. So here we'll learn how to find the area of rectangle, right? So in case of rectangle, when you talk about the rectangle, okay, in case of rectangle, we have length and breadth. We have length and breadth, okay. This is called as length and this is called as breadth. So we have length and breadth. Length are equal, breadth are equal. A, B, C, D, right? So we got length and we got breadth, okay. Length are equal and breadth are equal. Here we are asked to find the area. Here we are asked to find the area, isn't it? We are going to learn to find the area of rectangle, okay. So area of rectangle, right? Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, okay. Length into breadth. So this is the formula to find the area of rectangle, right? Now here in this in the question part, what we got, okay? In the question part we got length 15 meter, breadth how much? 12 meter and 3 decimeter. So here we have two different units, okay? Here we have two different. One is meter and here we got meter and decimeter, right? So when we have two different units, okay, what we need to do, we need to convert the two different units into same units and we convert into the smaller one, right? So here when we compare meter and decimeter, okay, when we compare meter and decimeter, 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter, right? So here what I'll do here, in this part, we got 15 meter, isn't it? So I'll convert it into decimeter, okay. So into 10. Why into 10? Because 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. So we'll get here 150 decimeter, right? We got here 150 decimeter. Now here in this part, in case of breadth, okay, in case of breadth part, what we have here, we got 12 meter and 3 decimeter. So 12 into 10, 12 into 10 plus 3, okay, decimeter. So 12 tens are 120, right, plus 3 decimeter. Now 120 plus 3 will be how much? 123 decimeter. Now we got the length and we got the breadth. So length is how much? 150 decimeter and breadth is how much? 123 decimeter, right? Now we need to find the area. So therefore area, okay. Since it is already given, heading is rectangle, okay, we need not to write here rectangle. So its formula is length into breadth. Formula is how much? Length into breadth. So its length is how much? 150 dcm, 150 decimeter, and breadth is how much? 123 decimeter, right? Now we need to multiply. We got here 0. Let's write this 0 here, okay. 15 3s are 45, okay. 45, 5, 4 carry it, right? 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 4, 34, okay. 3 carry it. 15 1s are 15 plus 3 is 18, right? We got here 18,400 square decimeter, okay, square decimeter. Now see here, we got this is the area, right? Now we can convert it into meter and decimeter. So when we'll convert into meter and decimeters, what we'll do it here, this one, we got here 18,450, okay, 18,450 square decimeter. Now I'll convert it into meter square, right? So for that, what I'll do here, I'll divide by how much? 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter, okay. 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. So but here we got square, here is not told here square, okay. Now when we convert square part, okay, so whatever we'll have, we'll take 2 times, 10 into 10, okay, 10 into 10. Now it will become how much? Square meter. Now it will become how much? Square meter. Let's cancel this, 0 0 will get cancelled, okay. Otherwise what we can do here, okay, this one. Now this 0 and this will cut and we'll put here point. So we'll have here 184, okay, before decimal, 184 square meter, and we got here 5 decimeter. Okay, here we have cancelled this. Let's not cancel this one, okay. what we'll do here is 0, okay, and here it is 0 itself, right? So 1 1 2 0 we got here, put here point, okay. So we got here 184 square meter, and here we write here this is 50, okay, 50 square decimeter, right? 50 square decimeter. So this is the answer of this questions, right? The second question we got here is we got here length equals to 8 meter 12 centimeter, right? Length equals to 8 meter and 12 centimeter. It is centimeter, okay. Here we got two units, one is meter and another is centimeter. One is meter and another is centimeter. So what we'll do at the first, we'll convert this into centimeter, right? So it is here 8 meter, so 8 into 100 plus 12 centimeter, plus 12 centimeter, okay. It is 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, right? So why am I multiplying here by 100, okay? As we know that 1 meter, okay, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, okay. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So I am multiplying here. So 8 into 100 will be 800, right? Plus 12 centimeter. So we'll edit here 812 centimeter, right? Now here we got the breadth one, okay. So this is breadth, okay. This is breadth actually. 6 meter 15 centimeter, okay. 6 meter 15 centimeter breadth equals to 6 meter 15 centimeter, right? Now this one will convert it 6 into 100, okay, plus 15 centimeter. So it is 600 plus 15 centimeter. So we edit here 615 centimeter, right? Now what we need to do, we need to find the area, okay. So therefore area, okay, therefore area equals to length into breadth, isn't it? So length is how much? 812 centimeter into the breadth is how much? 615 centimeter, right? Now we need to multiply this, okay. We need to multiply this. So let's multiply this one. So we got here 812, okay, and we got here 615. 5 to the 10, 1 carried, 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6, 5 8s are 40, right? Now 1 to the 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8, right? Then we got here 6, 6 to the 12, 1 carried, 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 7, right? 6 8s are 48. Now we need to add them, okay? 0, 6 plus 2, 8, 1 plus 2, 3, right? 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 1 carried, 1 plus 8, 9, and this 4 as it is. So how much we got here? 4,99,380. 4 lakh, it's 4,99,380. 380 square centimeter, right? We got this much. Now say what we can do it, we can convert into meter and centimeter. So 499,380 by 100 into 100, okay. Why? Because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, right? So if when we'll change square centimeter into meter, so we'll divide by 100 into 100, so it will be square meter, okay. Now 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, we got this much, okay. 1 2 3 4, so it will be how much here? It will be 49 square meter, right? 49 square meter. Then we got here 9380 square centimeter, right? This is the solution of these questions. Here 49 square meter and 9380 square centimeter. So what will do here? 49 square meter, let's keep as it is, okay. Now this one will change into decimeter. This one will change into decimeter. So here we know that 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter, right? 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter. So this one 9380 by what will do here? 10 into 10. Now it will become square. It will become square decimeter. We'll have here square decimeter, right? So 1 2 here, okay. So how much we'll get here? 49 square meter, okay. 93 square decimeter And what is the remainder? 80 square centimeter. So this is the solution of this question. So this, like in our previous classes, we have learned finding area of rectangle, length into breadth. Okay, it's very simple, but here what is the complication things, or what is the little top things? Okay, that is, here we have the length and breadth in different units. Okay, so when we find the area of area of rectangle, okay, using length and breadth with different units, this is the process to find out the answers. Okay, so I hope like you are able to understand. So if there will be any doubt in understanding this, you can ask me when I'll be available in your WhatsApp group. Thank you all.